viewers, welcome to Back One News. My name is Rituwanti. I will be accompanying our story. Today is about the conflict in Lombok that has affected the people since January. August numerous conflicts start following until today, restoring more and more villages. We are going to see how the current condition is after the latest conflict and how people deal with the situation shortly. We will be going live our reporter in the area. I am connecting in Abimayu who is now in